सर सचिन खाली 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 बसो
नहीं जाती सर
सचिन खाली 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 बसो
नहीं जाती शॉट लो फरा और इसका शॉट लो ना। सॉरी कौन मनन कौन कर रहा है? दिस इज पार्शियलिटी। कौन? नहीं कुछ बाइट हो रही थी उसकी वजह से नहीं बुला पाए, वरना हम लोग कर ही लेते हैं। सॉरी
बुला और है
मार के फिर सॉरी। फरा
रेखा के सामने कुछ दिखता ही नहीं। रेखा को बुलाओ।
यार बुलाना यार।
आज रेखा बैठ दी।
कहाँ दी? ये शॉट्स लो रेखा जी के, शॉट्स लो ना। फरा सुशांत स्मार्टी साला। फरा मुझे चाहिए फरा। Looking very beautiful.
Yeah, and I can't even handle my sari. Also, Jackie Shroff has to handle it for me.
Farah, today is a night, very special night in remembrance of Yash Chopra ji. So how special is this film going to be? Because this is his last film.
I think this film has already become a very special film. Because after, even if it wasn't his last film, I think it would still be a special film. Because after 8 years he was coming up and he was doing it in a forte which is his completely. He is the king of, if Shah Rukh is the king of romance, then Yash Chopra is the emperor of romance. So it's his genre, it's his forte, and it's a film he was passionate about. So I think anyway it was a special film.
As you said that Shah Rukh was the king of romance and Yash the creator of romance. So they are coming Shah Rukh
Yes.
and Yash after 8 years.
Yes.
So what expectations have you come with?
I think whatever I've seen of Shah Rukh in the trailer, he's looking sexy, I would say. So I think from romance, he's really become sexy in this movie, and I'm just happy to watch the movie. I was anyway going to watch it in the theatre with my kids, so I'm happy I'm going to get to watch it before the rest of the world.
So when do we see you and Shah Rukh being happy?
I think we'll start it early next year as soon as Chennai Express is over.
And can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali?
Yes, of course. And this is Farah Khan wishing all of you all a very, very happy Diwali.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Farah.
My sari too long. Sorry.
No, but you're looking very pretty.
आया तो दो लोगों को जवाब देना था दे दिया था कोई बात नहीं सॉरी
He's coming in a... Siddharth, you have worked with Yash Raj films. How inspirational was Yash ji for you?
I think not just for me, I think for every filmmaker, every aspiring filmmaker, every technician that aspires to work in the industry. Yash ji has been an icon, I think, until the day that Doctor is now coming out. And I was, I think, very, very fortunate, I think, in a country of 1 billion people where I think everybody wants to be part of the film industry. I've been fortunate enough not only to be part of the film industry, but to be a part of this banner, to have worked for 10 years in this office. I think I'm very blessed.
His last film, and this is a very special night. So how are you going to remember this premiere of Jab Tak Hai Jaan?
I think by keeping the premiere invitation and showing it to my kids, their kids, that I actually went to this premiere.
And it's a Shah Rukh Khan and Yash Chopra coming together, but unfortunately Yash ji is not among us. But everybody expects a lot from a Yash Raj film along with Shah Rukh Khan. So what are your expectations from this film?
I think monumental, and I'm sure it'll live up to every expectation of every cinegogue in the country and worldwide.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. कौन है?
और इधर आ जाओ ना, यहाँ पे बैग हटा दो।
मेरी बैग है किधर है शायद? वो आया किसी?
और इधर आ जाओ।
शाहिद।
Hello Shahid.
Hello, Pisha.
Shahid, this is a remembrance of Yash Chopra's film called Jab Tak Hai Jaan. What expectations have you come with?
I'm very sure I'm going to love the film. I'm a huge Yash Chopra fan. I think Yash ji has been relevant for more years than any legend has ever been. And it's a privilege to be here, to be seeing this film. I feel very fortunate, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm very, very sure that it'll be one of his finest films, a film that we will remember for a long time to come. So I'm just looking forward to seeing the film and enjoying myself.
It's after 8 years, Shah Rukh and Yash ji did this film.
After Veer-Zaara?
Yeah, after Veer-Zaara. So what do you have to say about the king of romance and the creator of romance?
Well, what more needs to be said? I think it's an absolutely outstanding combination. We've all been fans since I was in school, since I was in college. I've seen their films, and I've always wanted love to happen like that in my life. And that's what Yash ji is Cinema has always been about celebrating life, celebrating love, and I'm so happy that they're having a premiere today in his memory, which is celebrating the film that he's made, because I think that is the right spirit. And I'm here in exactly the same capacity to celebrate the release of one of the finest filmmakers that we've had, and a film that I'm really looking forward to seeing.
You have booked the YRF films.
Yes.
Any fond memories of Yashji coming across?
Yes, he is. He is remembered and will always be remembered as one of the most jovial people. Always had a smile on his face. He would always fire us and tell us how we should start making films faster and not worry and think so much about them. And that good films get made and one shouldn't ever worry about it. And he always had a very positive spirit, and he was like a father figure. I didn't meet him too often, but whenever I have interacted with him, there was a lot of positivity that I got from him. And everybody met him with a certain amount of awe, and I was happy.
Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali?
Yes, wishing everybody a very, very happy and a safe Diwali.
Thank you so much.
मेरा एक दोस्त है, टीम इसकी डाली थी, मुझे ऐसा लगा था वो
किसके?
मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड और जो उसने परफ्यूम लगाई थी ना वो भी वही लगा था। अरे बस फीलिंग भी यही है। ये बाजू में आया किसी और को बुलाओ पकड़ के, मेरे को नहीं पकड़ना।
कैसे ये बूम रख दो ना,
हाँ वो
इसकी जरूरत नहीं।
Honor of in the remembrance of Yashji's untimely death, the premiere is being held. What are your expectations from the film, and what do you have to say about Yashji as a filmmaker?
Yashji as a filmmaker, I think there's very little left to say. Everyone knows that. I remember him more personally from my time working here. He was always the most, the sweetest and the most humble man. He was the kind of guy who, anybody who he met, you always felt like he was very, very happy to meet you. So, no matter how important you are or how low down the food chain you are, you always got the sense that this is a guy who is happy to meet you and he will talk to you very sweetly. Very, very sweet man, and I do miss him. I do miss his presence here. As for the film, I'm expecting to be, what do we expect from Yash Chopra? We expect those classic romantic moments, which honestly I feel nowadays in a lot of films we don't get. Sometimes the emotions are a little superficial nowadays, so I'm hoping to see something like that.
It's going to be Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan, Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan's film, and they did this film after 8 years. So what do you have to say about the King of Romance and the Creator of Romance?
Well, if it's anything like the last one, I think everyone's expectations will be met. Honestly, I don't want to speculate too much about it. I've tried to stay away from watching the promos so that I can watch it fresh.
Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali?
Hi, मैं हूं इमरान खान और आप सबको मेरी तरफ से दिवाली मुबारक।
Thank you so much.
अच्छे का हुआ उधर ना जो लेकर आया। अरे हिलाओ मत यार, हिलाओ मत।
Hi, good evening. हमें क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आज ग्रैंड प्रीमियर रखा गया है यश जी की याद में। जब तक है जान उनकी लास्ट फिल्म है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह से याद करेंगे उन्हें आप एज अ फिल्म मेकर?
ये दिन बड़ा ख़ास है हम सब के लिए और आई एम वेरी कीन टू सी द फिल्म। यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म है और यकीनन बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म होगी और मेरी शुभकामनाएं, किरण और मेरी शुभकामनाएं पूरे टीम को। हमारी दुआ ये है कि ये फ़िल्म बहुत ही कामयाब हो। जितनी फिल्में यशराज ने बनाई हैं उन सब के सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी इस फिल्म को मिले और सारे रिकॉर्ड हमारी दुआ है कि ये सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़े और दर्शकों को खूब मज़ा आए फिल्म देखने का और जो उनकी आखिरी फिल्म है वो उसका एक नशा छा जाए हम सबको।
it's a Yash Raj film along with Shah Rukh Khan. So, any expectations from the film because they have given hits after hits, both of them?
Certainly, I think that they have been a combination which has always given successes. और यकीनन इस दफ़ा भी उनकी फिल्म कामयाब होगी, यही हमारी दुआ है.
One last thing. There was a lot of hassle between Bharat and Ajay Devgan.
I don't want to comment on that.
Diwali wishes, please, Amir. Okay, and Amir is quoting a very different kind of film. Tell us a little about that.
I don't know what it is. Well, दिवाली मुबारक सभी लोगों को और all the very best, नया साल मुबारक.
Thank you so much, Amir.
करना पड़ता है ना, क्या करें. इमरान gave bites.
Imran gave bites, yeah? देखना सुनना एक मस्त स्टोरी बनेगी ना अगर सलमान खान आया शाहरुख फिल्म में एक ही छतरी नहीं चाहिए
पकड़ो यार मैं कैमरा चला लेते
Chips, which is something honestly we don't really do so much nowadays. I find nowadays a lot of the relationship between films is more superficial. Katrina and
Anushka, yeah, and you worked with, you know, both of them actually.
Yeah, I was actually shooting Anushka just before she went off to shoot the package. I remember her being very, very excited about, you know, PSP, all of that stuff. Because I mean, I have nothing but the best things to say about her and Katrina, who is my daughter. Shahrukh is beyond any place.
Like any favorite Yash Chopra movie that you have?
I was just watching. I never do anything like that.
Thank you so much and enjoy it. Thank you.
Arjun Sona?
Wedding after. That's what we need to do.
Every time I try to make someone
Sona Khan. Arjun, come.
Let's do together.
Yeah, do it together.
Okay.
Sonia, come. Tell us something about what you're wearing.
Arjun, you're also looking nice.
Asha, thank you.
Yeah, he's looking so good, right? He's my date for tonight. He's wearing Dolce & Gabbana, and I'm wearing Elisa Couture.
Sonia, you're here to remember Yash Chopra, and this is the grand premiere of his film. So, what do you have to say about him as a filmmaker, and what are your expectations for this film?
He was a legend, and it's a beautiful way to celebrate his life. And I love the music of the film. I love the way it's looking, and I was very excited about the promos, and I'm even more excited now. So I'm trying to see the film.
Arjun, you made a debut with Yash Raj, so it must be a bittersweet day for you too.
It was an honor and it remains an honor, and I feel privileged that I can be part of this celebration for Yash Uncle. Truly the most iconic director, producer of our generation. We've grown up watching the cinema. I think everybody unanimously in our country has. It's the most perfect way to celebrate the man in his studio, to watch his film. I think it's the perfect way.
You've worked with YRF. Any fond memories of Yash ji while shooting? Both of you all actually. Both of them.
Well, while shooting, no, because I did a film which was produced by him. It was just an honor. The fondest memory that I hold on to and I always will cherish is the first time I saw Ishaq Zadeh was in this studio, in the theatre with him watching it. And I think just to be in the same theatre to watch my first film with Yash Chopra and Pamela Chopra sitting and watching it was the most surreal experience, and I'll hold on to that forever and ever. And he came out and he appreciated the hard work and effort we all had put in, and he loved the film. that's the nicest moment. Any actor, young actor, needs that motivation and that encouragement that he provided. And he was the youngest person in the studio and in our industry by leaps and bounds.
Sonam, you know, white was like the trademark.
Exactly,
All
that's what I wanted.
heroines,
That's
the
what I
chiffon.
wanted, yeah.
So you have to say, want to say anything about
Yeah,
that?
well, that's what I wanted to wear white today, so that's why I wore it, because I know he loved white.
Okay, Sonam, it's been, you know, Shah Rukh is called the king of romance and Yash Ji, the romance creator. So what do you have to say about both of them? The heady mix, it's a heady mix of stars.
Yeah, I think romance is a genre that I think he did best, but I can't forget the films that he did with my father besides Lamhe, which weren't romantic. I think besides Lamhe, I think there's Mashal, which wasn't the genre was not, or Diwar. I mean, he made all sorts of movies, so it's not only...
Earlier in his career, actually, movies like Ala Badar, Diwar, Trishul signify what a gamut of genres that he really pursued in his younger days as well, I think.
So I don't think we should pigeonhole him into a section. I think he was a complete film.
So how is the shooting of Rancham going?
It's fantastic. I'm going back there.
And you're doing Gunde, so
I shall talk about it when I want to talk about it.
Diwali we should see.
Happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you so much. Oh, fish. मुझे लगा मजाक कर रहा है.
Hello. I'm tired.
Why are you exhausted?
Because I'm wearing a gown.
Oh, but you're looking gorgeous.
After party, I'm going home wearing pajamas and coming back.
Parineeti, it's a big night tonight. What's on your mind right now?
Yeah, I was here this morning. I'm here every day for work, whatever. And it's a very different feeling. I wish SG was also here. I can't believe he's not here. But I'm very excited. I'm just going to treat it as a movie screening and I'm going to go.
You know, you are a Yash Raj heroine. Yes. And that has a special place of its own in every heroine's career. So what does that really mean to you? What is Yash Raj heroine?
Well, it's not as good as being a Yash Chopra heroine. Yeah. So Katrina and Anushka, very, thank you. Katrina and Anushka, very lucky. But I'm also equally lucky that I've signed a 3-film deal, so I get to do 3 films or more here. And it's the best thing that an actress can ask for. But more importantly, Adi and Yash are people really worth working for.
Yeah. What does the film like remind you of? Does it remind you of a romance that you haven't seen in a while? Or?
No, this is what I've told Yash also. That it's classic Yash, but a younger Yash.
Really, a younger Yash.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to from the film apart from Shah Rukh being
I don't know. You know what? It's so strange. I don't know what to expect from the film. I'm just going to watch it because now we've become so emotional with the film because Yashi's not here now. Every day we come, every day we talk about him. But I'm just watching it just to see a film. I'm not expecting anything.
Okay, Parineeti, talking about you know, you worked with YRF. Any fond memories of Yash Ji when you were shooting? Have you come across him and you know?
Yeah, Yash Ji was a person who used to call me, "Hey Parineeti, aaj khane mein kya bana hai?" You know, he's that kind of a person. I used to discuss food with him. I used to, you know, he used to tell me, "अच्छा तुम अभी इतना weight lose करो या अभी तुम्हें weight lose करने की." It was such a friendly relationship with him that now when I go onto the 3rd floor to, you know, meet him, I don't see him anymore. I just miss a really cool friend, you know. Yeah.
Enjoying the movie. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Parineeti Chopra here on the red carpet. There's more action coming up for you on the other side. For now, let's listen to a small break. यार मैं नहीं
रखा इधर पीछे मिला
ओके हाँ वहाँ भी
है ना है अभी नहीं ले रहे हैं
कौन आ रहा है
Bipasha. Thank you. Bipasha, you're looking absolutely stunning in a neon pink. Come closer, Bipasha. Come
closer to you. I'm wearing a Nandita Mahatani.
Bipasha, you're looking gorgeous for this big night. You know, what's running through your mind right now?
I want to see a good movie, and it's a Yash Chopra film. You know, it's going to be an iconic film. It's his last film.
Two style divas together. Two style divas.
And look at this. There's a handsome prince here. She's like a princess only. Yeah, so it's Yash Chopra's last film. It's going to be an iconic film. It's going to be a landmark film. I think everyone's excited about the film. And yeah, we want a little bit of romance in our lives. Yeah, I guess that's why we are all here.
Bipasha, what is Yash Chopra taught you about romance through his films?
I think he showed us a dream that it's possible to fall in love like that. You know, it's possible to love with all your heart. You know, our lives have turned a little bit very materialistic, and we are all driven with different things in life. But I think he taught us through his films that romance is eternal. So it's something that we are all looking for somewhere. Yeah, I guess.
Any fun memories because you worked with Virat Films?
I'm very attached to this banner. I have done Mere Ki Shaadi, I have done Bachna Hasino. I've been a part of their films, and they are just a wonderful family. Yeah, lovely to work with them.
Thanks so much. Have a great time.
Thank you.
Can you wish everyone a happy Diwali, please?
Yeah, anywhere?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Bipasha Basu wishing everyone a very happy and safe Diwali.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bipasha. Hello.
हाँ यार अच्छा वो याद दिला
लगा के रखा है ये देखो
लगा के रखा है लीड में तीनों तो आए थे सलमान भी आया था शाहरुख भी आया था जाके फोटो चेक करेगा ये भगवान किसको पसंद है
थोड़ा ये साइड रखना राइट साइड में
लग रहा है फिल्म देखा ना रॉकी चलो रेडी
Well, we have been a part of Yash's films. Today is Yashji's grand premiere. How do you remember him as a filmmaker, and you know, what are your expectations from this his last film?
Yashji has been a large part of the reason that I wanted to be in films. I've grown up watching his films, loving his films, be a part of this wonderful craft. I'll always cherish him as a filmmaker. He is an icon in the true sense of the word. It's a big loss to cinema as a whole, but he'll be immortal to his films. And he wanted a grand premiere for this, which is his last film. I don't think any event is too big to celebrate such an illustrious career, but I think Adi sir and his team have done a fab job, and I'm looking forward to seeing the film. It should be a vintage Yashji. Nobody does romance like Yashji, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. It should be a fun and emotional ride.
You debuted with Virat Films. Any fond memories of him while you were shooting for your first film or you know, second film? Any fond memories you have come across him while shooting?
He used to always meet me and he used to give me a pat on the back, and that's really all I needed. I would bump into him here at the studio and we would chat about work and what's going on, and we would just have words of encouragement. And pat on the back from Yashji is all the motivation you need to do your best.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan is Shahrukh's and Yashji's film together after 8 years, and a lot of expectations from both of them. So what are your expectations from both of them?
Well, I am the wrong person to ask because I'm biased. I am so closely associated with Yashji and the Chopra family that I'm going to love the film irrespective. But I think the conditions and circumstances under which this film is releasing, it really is beyond all commercial considerations. You know, it really doesn't matter how the film is going to do, what club it's going to join. It's all, it doesn't matter. It's Yashji's last film, posthumous film, and it's special just on account of that.
It's Diwali. Can you wish our viewers a happy Diwali, please?
Hi, this is Ranveer Singh, wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Ranveer.
आप इधर जाओ
नहीं देंगे भाई खुशी का नहीं बोलता
मैं पीछे हूँ कितना पीछे का होगा चले दो बाद में दो नहीं चारों को पकड़ना हाँ तुम्हारा वो कैमरा नहीं तुम्हारा नहीं सॉरी कैसे आएगा पीछे यार साथ में
आज ग्रैंड प्रीमियर है यश जी की लास्ट फिल्म का
few words from you. It's a big night for the
क्या कहना चाहेंगे बहुत बड़ी नाइट है
जी क्या कहें भाई ये यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म है और जाहिर है कि इतना सारा समय हमने उनके साथ बिताया अच्छी फिल्में बनाई उनके साथ बहुत उत्सुक हैं हम अंदर जाने के लिए जैसे ही आप लोग पीछे हमारा छोड़ेंगे तो हम अंदर
क्या कहना चाहेंगे 8 साल बाद शाहरुख और यश जी ने एक साथ फिल्म की थी तो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेकर आई अमित जी आप
जाने तो दीजिए इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ बहुत उत्सुक हूँ मैं जाने
कौन है यार
अभियाश
Ritik, one bite.
अभिषेक ले लेना ट्रांसफर अभी और कुछ नहीं कर सकते
हो गया अभी कोई नहीं आएगा चलो
प्रॉब्लम है
हो गया अभी कोई नहीं आएगा
ट्रांसफर लेना अक्षय और अपने पसंद साथ में जाएंगे क्या
कोई नहीं आने वाला
क्या आएगी टाइम स्नो का है हाँ उसके आगे वाले बैग में निकाल लेना वैसे ही
अब क्या कर रहे हो रेशम
आप जो कर रहे हो वही
आएंगे जरा
वो बूम पकड़ रही है आप कैमरा चला रहे हो
ये कैमरा भी चलाते हैं और कौन है
अरे वो निकाल उसको डालेगा तो गिरेगा बार बार कौन सा जब तक
मेरे को फंसा दिया और किधर चला गया
क्या लगा ए शूट करना सामने
ये कुछ मिल नहीं रहा देख के
शाहरुख खान खड़ा है वेलकम कर रहा है मिस्टर बच्चन को ये सब शॉट्स ना इस रेखा जी है अबे ब्लर्ड आ रहा है
वो लाइट की वजह से आ रहा है
Please hold for some time. My hands are feeling it. Please. I'm standing from.
उदय चोपड़ा नाच रहा है। अरे रहमान तेरा मुंडी नीचे कर। ठीक है राम से कहाँ मुझे सिर्फ ये चाहिए, अक्षय शाहरुख खान।